Hello, welcome to our conversation today about clarity. My name is Amanda Hinman, and I'm the founder of Hinman Holistic Health Institute. And I am so passionate about helping women just like you to take control of your thyroid and hormone health so that you can feel your best in your life each and every day. And today we're talking about the focus of clarity and how important clarity, in particular, two different types of clarity, is to really transforming the way that you feel, the way that your body is functioning, the way that your hormones are balanced, and really at the end of the day, just so that you can have more energy, 3 hours of extra energy each and every day. And the first critical step is being super clear on what specifically you want your health to be like that is different from how you're experiencing now. Oftentimes I have women tell me that they're struggling with exhaustion or, low thyroid function. They just feel like they're gaining weight no matter how good they try to eat or how much they're going to the gym to be active and to move their body. Or maybe they're struggling with anxiety. They just have that continuous cycle of racing thoughts and they can't seem to be present in the moment and remain calm. If you're experiencing any of these types of things, the number one thing is to get clear about how you want your daily experience to look and to feel when you have created that health transformation, right? For example, do you want to be able to sleep for a full 7 hours, sleep until 6:30, 7 a.m., wake up feeling refreshed and recharged? You don't need to depend on that cup of coffee to get your day started. Do you want to be able to focus maybe in the afternoon at work? You've got some big projects happening and you want to be able to stay focused, to stay streamlined, and to really be in that space of confidence, knowing that the project is moving forward, you are clear on your next steps, and you're really energized and excited about the work that you're doing. Or perhaps you just want to have more patience and more understanding because you recognize with your spouse or with your kids, you just tend to fly off the handle, right? I want you to be really clear. This is clarity number one about what would your daily or weekly experience look like and feel like in terms of when your health is in a different place. So that's the first type of clarity that's really critical to hone in on. The second type of clarity is understanding your unique body, right? Every woman is different. And we can have these general platitudes like, oh, I know I should sleep more, or I know that I should eat better, eat more real whole foods. Yeah, that sounds great. But until you have clarity on your unique body, where your hormone balance is currently, what areas, like for example, if you're looking at lab work, if you're working with specialists and looking at, is it that I have suboptimal vitamin B12, suboptimal vitamin D, I need some extra magnesium? You can kind of really hone in when you have clarity about your unique body. And that I found with many of my clients makes it much easier to stay on track and to really be inspired and motivated, because it's not overwhelming of I have to do 50, 100 million things before I can quote unquote have my body feel better. It's much more dialed in, much more specific, and going to be more influential on having the specific requirements that your body needs to feel and work the best way that it can. So that's some insight for today. I hope you're doing great. As always, I'm here to inspire you, to encourage you. And if you feel called to join us in our next upcoming 10-day hormone reset experience live, then stay tuned. You can always check out the website for our next wait list to get when it's open, or join us if we're in the middle of an open session. Look forward to seeing you real soon.